As more facilities choose rubber flooring for its durability, resistance, absorption, and comfort, maintenance staffs must choose the appropriate cleaning solutions. FLEXI-CLEAN Intensive Rubber Cleaner and Grease Remover contains an advanced formula that will not dull or dry out rubber like standard cleaners, while effectively emulsifying and removing embedded dirt and oils. The neutral pH formula, free of caustics or solvents, make it safe for use on rubber floors without damaging the appearance or traction of the floor. FLEXI-CLEAN can be applied manually or through an automatic scrubber on flat or studded rubber floors in gyms, healthcare, retail, industrial, educational, transportation, event space, or food service environments as the first step in your rubber care program.